Now let us see the different types of relations. The relation can be classified mainly from two different angles, that is the first method of classification and second method of classification. Now in the first method there are further two perspectives, that is from the perspective of first set we can classify the relations as 1-1 and many-1 relations, and from the perspective of second set we can classify the relations as on-to relation and into relation, right? And in the second method of classifying we can have the four types of relations as mentioned here, that is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence. So let us go into the details of all these types. We'll first see the first method of classification, and in that from the perspective of first set. So here we have the type called as 1-1 relation. Now here one element of first set is related with one element of the second set. So as it literally means that it is 1-to-1 relationship, that is one element from first set and one element of second set. That is called as the 1-1 relation. Now on the other hand, the many-one relation is that in which more than one element of first set are related with one element in the second set. So that means if you see the diagram on the right hand side, see there are two elements here, that is 1 and 2 from the first set, which are related with the same element in the second set, which is A. Okay, so this one instance of many to one kind of relationship makes the entire relation of the type many one. Okay, so in both of these types we have seen that the definition is based on the elements of first set. So therefore we call this classification from the perspective of first set. Now if we consider the classification based on the elements of second set, we will have further two types. So let us go to those types now. Those types are on-to relation and into relation. Right? Now what is on-to? Now here if you see, each element of second set has some pre-image in first set. So if you look at the diagram here on right hand side, you see that all the elements A, B and C have some pre-image in the first set. So or in simple words, the entire second set is covered under the relation. So that is called as on-to relation. Now in terms of the terminologies that we have already studied, this means that on-to relation is that in which range is equal to codomain. That is, range is same as the codomain of the relation. Now in case of into relation, there is at least one element in second set that does not have a pre-image in the first set. So if you see the example here, there is one element C in the second set which does not have any pre-image in the first set, right? So that makes the relation as into relation. So here we once again see that the classification is from the perspective of second set, that is we are having the elements of second set involved in the classification of relation, right? So combining both of these perspectives together, finally a relation can be classified as any one of the four types. As we can see here, it can be 1-1 on-to, second is many-one on-to, third is 1-1 into, and fourth is many-one into. So let us just go through all the types quickly to confirm the definitions. Then the first one we have 1-1 on-to, right? 1-1 means we see the 1-to-1 relationship between the elements, and on-to means entire second set is covered under the relation. So therefore it is on-to. The second type is many-one on-to. Now here many-one because there are more than one elements in first set which have the same image in the relation. So that is 3 and 4 both are connected with C. So which makes the relation as many-one. On the other hand, the entire second set is still covered. So that is still the on-to relation like the first type. Right. Now moving to the third one, we have 1-1 into relation. So here also we see that the elements are related in 1-to-1 relationship, but now there is one element in second set which is 3, which is not related with any element in the first set. So that makes the relation as into. So together it is 1 1 into type. And lastly, the fourth type is many 1 into. Here we have the case of multiple elements B and C related with the same image in the second set. So therefore it makes it many 1. Whereas we have one element 3 which is not having any pre-image in the first set. So that makes it into. So therefore together it is many 1 into type of relation.